can see it going there. It hasn't done it yet, but you can see it happening right in front of you. It's going to shoot right there to it. But in your mind, you're thinking, I know as soon as I get in it, it's going to drop 30 handles real quick against me. They're going to get me. They're going to get me. If it takes a 1 minute swing low out or a 5 minute swing low out and you're bullish and you're thinking for that 15 minute or 60 minute chart, folks, I'm teaching the model in case you're not paying attention. Once there's a 5 minute or 1 minute stop run against the direction you think the draw is, either the 15 or 60 minute liquidity, then you drop down to a 30-second chart. And the very first fair value gap, you enter on it. Your stop loss is 12 handles, and you aim for best case 15. There's a paradigm shift that happens when you start following a process. You don't worry about the outcome. You worry about, am I following the rules?